Hi guys, welcome to the live systematic trading. This is Rom from Wings of Equity. As per my system and setup, the closing of this 50 minutes candle is entry. The candle remains to close within 3-4 seconds. I will enter the trade. Strike price chosen 36,100 CE. Position as per risk reward ratio 100 quantity. Okay, the candle remains to close within 3-4 seconds. I will enter. You can see live also. Enter the trade. Trade was executed. See, trade executed at 266. Okay. First, after entering the trade, we will fix the SL. SL will be initially 60 points. That is at 206 will be our SL. 206 SL and initial target will be 120 points. We enter the trade at 266. SL will be 206. As per my system and setup, SL will be 60 points. This is the maximum SL for the day. Okay, target will be 384. But sometimes target will be increased, but initial target is 384. That is 120 points. This is a maximum risk for the day. And one more important point is trailing SL. Every 10 points up move, I will trail my SL. After entering the trade, option move 10 points up. So that's why now I am moving my SL to trailing SL 211. That is at 211. Whenever market will give opportunity to trail my SL, I will trail, I will minimize the risk. And I will follow the process method. We'll see what will be the end result. Either the trade will hit the target or trailing SL. We'll see the end result. See guys, finally our trade exited with hitting the target price. There is a small execution error. Trade exited below the 7 points of target price. It's okay, but anyway, in a systematic way, today we booked the 120 points in Bank Nifty. There is a too volatile Bank Nifty trading today, but by smartly following the systematic trading, we booked the 120 points in option trading. That is also by option buying. It is in market, it's myth that only option seller can make money. It's totally false. As for me, there is equal opportunity to everyone, either you are a seller, buyer, or whatever trading process you follow. But only important point is that how you manage your risk. See today how I smartly managed my risk. If trade went opposite also, I have minimized all my risk. This is the power of following the systematic trading. Okay, I hope you understand systematic trading very well. If you want learn more about systematic trading in live videos also, please watch my previous live videos. I have done 3-4 live videos also. See today target was 120 points. In my previous live video, live trading, there is a loss was only 25 points. This is the power of systematic trading, power of risk management, power of psychology and method also. Discipline with consistency beats everything. Please understand the new traders, follow the process, learn to be a systematic trader. It will biggest game change for you, I think. If you want to learn my systematic trading, please subscribe my channel, like and share, and comment your today process, how you done your trading. We'll see you in next live trading video. Thank you.